Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa. If you're new in this channel, consider subscribing, like and comment. So today I'll be teaching you the basics or the introduction on how to edit your videos using Wordershare Filmora X. And so guys, to get started you need to have installed your Filmora software on your computer, laptop or your tablet. So guys, let's get started. The first thing, you need to open your Filmora, or you can right click and then you go to open, or you can just double click on your shortcut and your Filmora software is going to load. So after loading, you have to wait for some few seconds so that you can get started guys. So we are waiting for our Filmora software to load, and then after a few seconds we are good to go. So here you don't have to change any setting, you just have to come here and start a new project. You start a new project, so you just click on start new project, because this is what you need to know to get started. This is a beginner lesson and I'll be doing also an intermediate, but this is a lesson for everyone who wishes to know more about Filmora. So guys, you just have to click on new project and then your Filmora application will open like this. So guys, what do you need to get started? So you need first to import your videos. How do you import your videos on this software so that you can have something to edit? You just come, the first method, you have to come here and click the file and you go to import media files, and then you go to the location of your video files. You have to highlight all of them and then you have to open, you have to load them here inside Filmora Studios. So guys, you're good to go. You have your videos, and the second way you can import your videos, you just have to click here and then you import like that guys. That is the second method, and then I will show the last method on how to import. You have to come to your files and then you go to the location of your videos and then you highlight them. You have just to drag them here inside Filmora, and that is the third and the last method that you can use to import your video. The second thing you need to know, because this is basic on how to edit your videos, the second thing you need to know is how to get started editing your videos. So this, if you double click this video like that, the video will play on this side. This what we call a preview monitor, if you can see guys. So this what you'll be using to view your videos in Filmora. So guys, you can see now my video is playing. So if you double click the second video, you can be able to view it through the preview monitor. Another thing you need to know, this is called the timeline. This is called the timeline. This is where you'll be using to edit your videos, to cut your videos, to drag some effects. This is the timeline that you'll be using to do a lot of work, to add titles, to add effects, to add audio files and a lot of things. So this is called the timeline, and this way you can drag your video to a timeline. You can just say match the video. You have to match media so that the timeline can match your recorded video files. So guys, like that, you need just to drag them like that guys, and you're good to go. So guys, I know you can understand everything that I'm teaching you here on how to use Filmora. Now this is what we call a timeline. A timeline is used to cut the videos, to add effects, to add audio files, to add titles, a lot of things, and to arrange your videos in order. So guys, another thing you need to know is The media is where you import your videos. You can see we have our colors. If you need to import a certain color here, you can drag it and then the color will be there. This you can use this to make a lyric video or anything. You need a white color. There's a different type of colors, guys, and we shall be doing all this thing in depth here in Filmora editing software. So guys, this is just a brief introduction. We have the audios, we have the titles. This is the best software we have ever seen, ever existed. So you have your transition. If you can come here and add some transition, you can see this is very nice. This is very dope, man. I love this. Filmora is one of the best editing software. We have the effects. This will shall be covering this all in depth, and in order to edit very nice in Filmora, you need to an access to Wi-Fi. So it's not a must you have Wi-Fi. You can use your phone hotspot, and then you can download any of the effects you can see here. You can download them. So when you drag an effect like that, you can see your video is already color graded in that type of effect. So guys, this is just a brief introduction. I'll be covering more and more in editing videos in Filmora. So guys, thank you, and make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. My name is always Filmora. Thank you for staying tuned here in Filmora YouTube channel. Bye. Let's meet on the next editing video tutorial.